to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. I am Moina Aluwalia and today I'm going to share with you guys something really important. I'm going to share with you 3 gut-friendly desserts. So if you guys have faced any digestive issues, these recipes are a must try. So let's get started.
So here's our first recipe. It's a double chocolate cookie which is not only delicious but also great for digestion. Chocolate when consumed in right quantity, it actually helps with your digestion due to high magnesium content. So in a bowl I have taken some eggs. If you don't want to use egg, you can use applesauce or flax seeds. I added some oil, some cocoa powder, and then I've added kansari sugar, but you can use any sugar of your choice. Now mix this really well till the sugar is dissolved. Once that is done and you get a nice smooth batter, we are going to add the flour. So this recipe is gluten free, so you can use oats flour also, or you can use just your maida and atta, whatever is convenient. Now mix this really well. So you might feel that the batter is really sticky, but that's okay. If you want, you can add more flour. So to make it gluten free, you add your oats flour or ragi flour, any flour. I added some chocolate chips, I added some vanilla essence, and now you mix it really well. And then after that, I took a baking tray, I add a lining paper to it, and I scoop this batter. So this recipe is all I have made really tiny. So you just get 3 to 4 big cookies, but you can double the recipe if you want more. Bake it at 180 degrees for like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then your cookies are ready. And you can see how beautiful these cookies have turned out. They even taste really good. And now we come to the second recipe. Here is a baked apple crumble. So for this dessert is packed with fiber from oats and apples. So helping you start your day on the right foot. So in a bowl we take some rolled oats. After that we are going to take some kansari sugar. Then we are going to add flour to it. After that we are going to add butter to it. So butter, make sure it's room temperature. If you want to make it gluten free, you can add oats flour to it also. Now rub this really well till you get a really smooth, like a crumble effect. Also, before we continue, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So now for the next step, I have taken a bowl. Now I've taken apples in it, I've added blueberries in it, but you can add any fruits if you like. I've added khansari sugar, any sugar is fine. A little bit of lemon juice, but you can add vinegar also to it. Here I've added both. So it just reduces the sweetness and gives you like a nice tangy effect also. Mix this really well. So now I'm taking a bowl, but you can take any mug or anything of any like ramekin also of your choice. I added the fruits into it. Make sure you add the juice also into it. I topped it up with the crumble and I covered it. So if you want, you can add more fruits on the top also. Now just flatten it out, bake it at 180 degrees. This took like 30 minutes to bake, but it turned out really good. Now we go for a last recipe, that is a vegan blueberry muffin which is loaded with flax seeds and chia seeds. So both flax and chia seeds are excellent sources of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids which are great for your digestion and overall health. So here in a bowl I've taken milk. You can take any plant-based milk. I've added vinegar to it. I've added my khansari sugar also to it, and we mix it really well. So you guys also know I conduct a lot of baking workshops. I've even added the information of my workshops, the link in the description. So you'll get all the details. We even do one-on-one workshops and group workshops. If you see, I've added a little bit of cocoa powder, but you can even omit that. I've added flax seeds and chia seeds to it. Mix everything really well. And once that is done, I've added the flour to it. Again, if you want to make it gluten free, I would recommend adding oats flour and jawar flour. So mix all this really well till you get a nice and smooth batter. So once that is done and your batter is really nice, also flax seeds and chia seeds will start making the batter a little more thicker. So I've added some chopped blueberries to it. Mix it really well, and then after that we are going to pour it in a cupcake tray. So I've taken a 6 cupcake tray. You can take more if you have increased the batter. Now pour this nicely. I generally like to pour like just half of the cupcake liner, not full, because half gives you like a perfect dome to it. So I'm filling the batter. Also with chia seeds and flax seeds, as I said, the batter will start getting very thick. I topped it up with some blueberries, and then I baked it at 180 degrees for like 20 minutes, and the blueberries are done. So hope you like these three recipes. Do try it. It helps me a lot with my digestion, so I hope it helps you also.